Welcome back. Goa State Pollution Control Board inspected Madgaon Old Market Nalla. The officials informed that sewage is being let out through a manhole made for the Chamber of Sewage Department in Madgaon. Officials have drawn samples of the water. Necessary action would be initiated as per the report.
This is the Nalla flowing from Old Market to Mardel Grand in Margaon. Residents complain of filthy stink from past many days. GPSCB along with Margaon municipality officers and Margaon Health Center inspected the site.
Inspection the local residents behind civil court tani complaint केली तो नाला असा behind civil court तो pollute झाला सगळे भितर sewage बी सोडटा.
We have seen all the stretch of the nala from upstream to downstream, and we are collecting samples now. We are collecting the samples. Analysis report will be a sample analysis will be done, and after that the report will be put up to the higher authorities.
So what we found is there are sewage chambers, PWD sewage chambers are there which are being overflowing, and the sewage is being released in the nala over here. So that was the main thing what we found out. Now after this what we are going to do is we are going to write to the PWD to kindly look into the matter and get it rectified as early as possible.
It is also known that the manhole has been constructed by the sewage department in Margaon. Residents informed that the sewage was being let out from the manhole into the Nalla. Savio dies for Prudent.
Center to help distressed women in the state. This is the demand of Violence of South on Women's Day. The NGO, along with Our Lady of Rosary High School, had organized Women's Legislative Assembly on Monday. The NGO stressed the need to make awareness regarding atrocities against women in the state.
ल्हान भुरगीं आसा आनी बायलां विशीं कितें इश्यूज तांकां दिसता सरकारान घेवचे हाजे खातीर आमी एक असेंब्ली बायलांची घडोवन हाडल्या. भुरगीं ताजे इश्यूज मांडटले. आमी बायलांचो साथ तर्फेन ह्या वर्सा जे इश्यूज घडल्या जे बायलांचो सादान घेतला ताजे बद्दल आमी उलयतले आनी आमच्या सरकारा कडेन कांय मागण्यो आसा. एक म्हणजे की खुबशे अशे वायफ बिटींग मारपीट जाता, रेप अत्याचार जाता आनी बायलांक मदत करपाक खंयचे सरकाराचे सेंटर ना. तो सेंटर ताबडतोब स्टार्ट करचे ही आमची मागणी.
Break the silence when you see violence against women. Carmel College's Women's Cell held a Women's Day rally to create awareness and motivate women to raise their voice against atrocities. Rally was held from KTC bus stand to Marga Municipal Garden.
So we want to create such awareness among the women in India that they can raise their voices, everyone is with them, and also among the general public that to fight against such issues that are happening against women.
This campaign is about bringing awareness among people on the issues that are going and creating a disaster in our society. What I really feel is that instead of restricting our daughters, we need to teach our boys to respect girls.
Devendra Gaukar and Savio dies for Prudent.
Ghode Modni is a folk dance popular in Sattari taluka of Goa. It represents the horse-mounted cavalier setting off to war. It is a spectacular warrior dance commemorating the victory of Maratha rulers over the Portuguese. The dancers wear headgears made of colorful flowers, decorated with colorful clothes, and carry gungurs in the anklets. It is mostly performed during Chigma festival. Here are Ghode Modni from Masorde and Mulgaon. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.